Good morning, Math 2. This is lesson 127. This morning we are going to be learning how to show change for $1. That's why I have the big $1 bill up on the board. So we are going to pretend that you are a clerk in the store and I am the customer. I would like to buy this book, and the price tag says that it's 90 cents. I have $1. Do I have enough money to buy the book for 90 cents? Yes, I do. When I buy the book and I give you the $1, you need to give me the extra money back. Remember, the extra money is called change. So what would my change be for this 90-cent book? My change would be a dime, 10 cents. So this is how we say it. We say this is 90 plus 10, that's $1. Another way that you can think about it is that 90 plus 10 is 100. That's 100 cents, and 100 cents is the same thing as $1. Ready for another example? I'll put my 90-cent book back. Okay, the next thing that I would like to buy are these scissors that cost 70 cents. What would my change be? Think about it for a moment. I'm going to put the scissors down. I'm going to pick up some dimes over here. So I have the 70-cent scissors. So to figure out my change, I would say 80, 90, $1. So what's my change? 10, 20, 30. You know that 70 plus 30 equals 100. Okay, I'll pick those up. Now we're going to use quarters to get the change. So I would like to buy this stapler that costs 50 cents. What will my change be? Let's see if you got the same answer that I did. So if this is 50 cents, then I'm going to say 75, $1, or 75, 100. So if this costs 50 cents, I'm going to get 50 cents in change. While I'm cleaning up my dollar and my magnetic coins, I need you to get out Master 127 and a pencil. We'll start at number 1 as soon as you have your papers ready. All right, the first one for us to practice is how much change do we get back for 40 cents? There are 2 ways that you can do this. You'll get the same answer. Let's do it with the dimes first. So that's 40 cents, so then we say 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How much change is it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Is there a different way that you could show 60 cents in change? Remember, when we give change, we use the fewest possible coins. So we can trade 5 of those dimes for 2 quarters, and it's still 60 cents. So I hope you have 60 cents written on your paper. The second one, it's a 20-cent pencil. What's your change going to be? Let's do it with the dimes. So remember, we're going to say 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, I better move them down here so you can see everything. 100. So count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So your change is 80 cents. I think that some of you have figured out that we don't have to count the coins all the time. We will for the whole rest of the paper, but that if you just think about it, well, 20 plus what number will equal 100, you'll often get the answer. Right, let's go to number 3. Ooh, 25-cent ruler. What's the change going to be? It's 25 cents. I shouldn't be using the dimes. I need to use the quarters. So remember, we start with 25, then we say 50 because we're counting by 25s. 75, $1. So how much is the change that we're going to write down? 25, 50, 75. So for number 3, write 75 cents for your change from $1. All right, number 4. Oh, that's just like one of the practice questions that we did. It's a notebook for 90 cents. What's the change going to be? 90, $1. So write down 10 cents. Make sure that you have your cent sign. Number 5, you have a 50-cent juice. That is also like one of our practice problems. So what's your change going to be? Remember, we'll need to use the quarters. We started with the 50-cent juice, so here's 75. There's $1. So our change from 50 cents, or for 50 cents, would be 50 cents. Last one, I think this is my favorite on this page, a 75-cent ice cream cone. What's your change going to be? Remember, we have to use the quarters again. So we say 75, $1, because 75 plus 25 will get us right to 100 or $1. So your change is 25 cents. Thank you for joining me for math today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.